Where would you like to go? Australia or Canada? Wherever you want. Welcome to Camstead YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to look at PTE test. What is PTE test? It's a language proficiency test like IELTS and TOEFL. Now you probably think, why to do PTE? Answer is very simple. It is one of the easiest tests. The primary motive of this video is to make you aware about different aspects of PTE like speaking, reading, writing and listening. Alright, let's focus speaking in particular. It has 5 areas to be covered. First, read aloud. What is read aloud? You will be given 3 to 4 sentences. You have to read as it is. Remember, when you read aloud, you have to speak fluently and accurately. There are 3 criteria needs to be focused: content, pronunciation and fluency. Content is evaluated out of 5, similar to pronunciation and fluency. Read aloud is followed by a repeat sentence in which you have to listen a sentence which should be repeated as it is, where 3 criteria, content, pronunciation, fluency, are assessed, in which content is marked out of 3, whereas the remaining are out of 5. These to be followed by describe image, which contains a picture or an infographic chart. It needs to be explained in 40 seconds. For preparation, you have 25 seconds. The last 2 are read a lecture and a single answer question. In the read a lecture, a lecture is delivered which needs to be listened to very carefully. The keyword of it needs to be noted down. Then 40 seconds are given to be spoken what was listened to. Finally, there will be a short answer question where you have to give a short answer to a question. Alright, let's revise now. There are 5 areas in speaking: read aloud, repeat sentence, describe image, read a lecture and short answer question. I hope you have understood. So we will meet again in our next video. See you. Bye bye.